Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. I really love unboxing videos, even if I don't get, because I did cancel a few, and even if I don't get those boxes, I love seeing other people's unboxing, especially if I didn't see any spoilers. That way I'll get to know what they receive. But in this case, I want to share with you my unboxing. This is a new subscription box. I think it's been out a few months, and I did and actually showing this box, I'm like, whoa, that looks like a really good box. And for $21.99 I think it was. But when I went to the site, they had this percentage off, so I ended up paying like 18 something. I'm gonna put the amount, so I want to be exact, and I'm like just $18 for this box, and it came really quick. I did order it, and this is the February month. I don't know what is inside. I did see her video, but I kind of like, I don't know if I'm gonna get the same items. I don't remember some stuff that she did receive, and I don't know which box that she did get, because there's different options. You could make your own box. If you make your own box, if you select the items that you really want, the subscription is a little bit higher. Or you could get the box that I think it was off for December, it's a different price. So I don't know, I don't remember which one she did get, but I'm excited to share with you my unboxing about this box. So you want to know more and see what I received and more about this subscription box, just keep on watching. And I just did my Birchbox unboxing, but this one is all full-size items, and you could get from 5 to a few numbers. So I'm going to be opening this with you. Look at this. I just love that it's pink. This is so cute. I don't know if they're doing pink because of February or if this is, you know, their theme. So let's move the items. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. This is the first thing I see. Look how it's packaged. This is so cute. It says apt. It's a lip shine. This is such a pretty package, and it says popping pigment. Oh my god, this is, look, it has like a little applicator there. Just drop it, and then lip shine. Oh, it smells pretty good too. This is from Hard Candy, and it's called Star and Moon, and I love purple, so I just, oh, look at this, another big thing. This is L'Oreal Paris. It says 911 Passionate Petal. It's a nail color, and this is the top coat. So this is step 1 and step 2. Cute color. This is, it says step 1 Passionate Petal, and it's like a neutral color. I like that. And then you can put the top coat, and both of them come in here, and it feels really heavy. The next item I got is called Tinted Moisturizer from City Color Glowing Complexion, and it says the color is natural. Look at the color right here. Or when you're traveling, and it has a cute applicator. Oh, it does have a nice glow. Could you imagine going to the beach? You know, when you go to the beach, you don't wear any makeup, and I think this would look a really cute moisturizer. You could moisturize your skin, and it has a little tint. Derma Blend Professional Longwear Makeup Remover. It's quick dissolving, non-dry, non-greasy. It says it removes long-lasting lip, eye, and foundation makeup on face and body. Leaves skin feeling clean, smooth, and fresh. It's non-drying, and it's suitable for sensitive skin, and that's me right there. The LA Colors Lash Building Mascara. I could have done a try on, but it was my first box, and I just wanted to open it with you so you could see exactly what I'm getting as I'm getting it, because I didn't know really much what I was gonna get. Products you're getting here are more like drugstore brand, because this is another item from L'Oreal. This is really pretty. Look at these colors right here. I don't think I've seen this palette in the drugstore. I think the colors are really pretty. This is a really pretty palette. Look at those 3 purples there. They are so pretty. I love purple. I'm not good at swatching here, because sometimes the colors you see here don't come out the same way as when you apply it in your skin. Well, actually when you do your eye makeup. This is Keen Color Alpha Girl Perfectionist Shadow Kit. This is how it looks like on the back. I think the logo is really pretty. Wow, look at this palette. It's really pretty. The shades are the little eyeshadows, they look really small, but I'm gonna try these two. Are calling my name, the green and the orange one. This is the green. Wow, look at that green. And let me do the orange one. There, you can see. I'm gonna do this pink right here. That's the pink, the orange and the green. Oh, and let me do these two blues. There's two blue. You know what I noticed in this palette? There's gray colors there too. I'm doing the top blue. So the colors are very pigmented, even though it looks like a smaller pan, which is this one here. So this is everything I got from this box. I think this is really pretty. This is good to take it for you on the go, and it has a nice size mirrors. So this is my unboxing for this new beauty box. This is everything I did get, and I hope that you check it out and see if this is the type of box for you, if this is worth it, and if this is something that you're looking for, full-size items, and getting those new items all for the face and makeup as well. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I'm ready to give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think of this unboxing and this subscription box. And if you haven't done so, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye.